Is your company in need of professionally customized welding services in the areas of TIG welding, MIG, or arc welding, brazing or plasma cutting, or perhaps metal fabrication? Then look no further. We are AWS certified welders and metal fabrication specialists, now serving Delta, Ohio, Wauseon, Ohio, Swanton, Ohio, Defiance, Ohio, and Toledo, Ohio. We are MCW certified welding and fabrication. We're committed to completing every project with the utmost professionalism and attention to details. Visit the link below for our hours of business and services. Let us be your go-to professionals for all your welding and metal fabrication needs.